New online sellers often face several common challenges that can impact their growth and success. These challenges are critical to address in order to achieve long-term success. One of the biggest obstacles for new sellers is getting their products noticed. With so many businesses operating online, standing out can be difficult. Without effective marketing strategies, it can be challenging to drive traffic to a store or product listings. Issues include limited brand awareness, making it hard for customers to find you. SEO struggles, as new sellers may not be familiar with search engine optimization, leading to low rankings and minimal organic traffic. A limited social media presence, where building a following takes time, meaning new sellers may miss out on valuable traffic. Competition. Online marketplaces are highly competitive, and new sellers often face strong competition from larger, established brands. This makes it harder to secure sales and attract customers. Some of the common competition-related challenges are price wars, where larger businesses offer deep discounts that new sellers may struggle to match. Brand loyalty, with established brands having a loyal customer base, making it tough for newcomers to persuade customers to try something new. Understanding customer needs. Knowing what your customers want and need is key to success, but it can be challenging for newcomers. Misunderstanding customer expectations can lead to poor sales and high return rates. Insufficient market research, which may result in offering products that aren't in demand or don't meet customer needs. Inaccurate targeting, where marketing campaigns fail to attract the right audience, resulting in low conversion rates. Marketing and advertising. Effective marketing is crucial for attracting customers, but many new sellers lack the knowledge or budget for successful campaigns. A limited marketing budget, which makes it hard to compete with larger businesses that have more resources for ad campaigns. Ineffective advertising strategies, where new sellers struggle to create successful campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram. Content creation, as producing high-quality images, videos, and social media posts takes time and expertise, which may be challenging for those new to online selling. Customer trust and credibility. Building trust and credibility is essential, but new sellers may struggle in this area due to their lack of reputation. Without trust, customers are hesitant to make purchases. Managing inventory and fulfillment. Managing inventory and order fulfillment can be difficult for new sellers, especially when demand fluctuates. Supply chain disruptions, where new sellers struggle to secure reliable suppliers, leading to delays or stockouts. Managing costs, as new businesses may face higher operational costs, making it hard to maintain profitability while scaling. Pricing and profit margins. Setting the right price while maintaining healthy profit margins can be challenging for new sellers. Difficulty setting competitive yet profitable prices, especially when competing against larger brands with more resources. High operational costs that reduce profit margins, particularly for sellers just starting out and facing limited economies of scale. Technical challenges. New sellers may encounter various technical issues when setting up and running their online stores. Website development, where setting up a user-friendly, visually appealing site may require technical skills or outsourcing, which can be costly. Platform issues, such as problems with e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, or order management systems, which can disrupt business operations. To succeed big in online selling now, it's essential to take a strategic approach that blends market understanding, effective tools, and customer-focused tactics. First, choose the right niche. Focus on understanding your target audience's specific needs, preferences, and problems. Select products that provide clear solutions and address unmet needs in the market. Avoid overcrowded niches and look for areas with room to grow. Next, choose a selling platform that aligns with your business goals. You can leverage established marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, which have large audiences, or create your own website to have complete control over branding and customer experience. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make building a professional online store straightforward. Once your store is set up, focus on offering high-quality product images and compelling descriptions. Good product photography is a game changer. Make sure you showcase your products in the best light possible with high-resolution images and detailed descriptions that highlight their benefits. Add videos when you can, as they help potential customers understand how your product works. Effective pricing is key to attracting customers while ensuring profitability. Research your competitors and ensure your prices are competitive while covering your costs. Consider using psychological pricing techniques, such as pricing products just below a round number, e.g., $19.99 instead of $20, to increase appeal. Use social media to build your brand and reach a larger audience. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer powerful advertising tools that allow you to target specific demographics. Engaging content that resonates with your audience will help you stand out and drive traffic to your store. Partner with influencers or run promotions to boost visibility and credibility. Customer service can make or break your business. Ensure you provide multiple channels of communication, such as email, live chat, or phone support. Respond to inquiries quickly, and make sure your return and refund policies are customer-friendly, as this helps build trust and loyalty. Email marketing is an excellent way to nurture relationships with your audience. Build an email list by offering incentives like discounts or free resources, and send regular newsletters with promotions, new product launches, and helpful content. Follow up with abandoned cart emails to recover potentially lost sales. Optimize your online store using analytics tools to track key metrics such as website traffic, sales conversions, and customer behavior. A/B testing different elements of your site, like pricing, product images, and calls to action, will help you fine-tune your approach and maximize conversions. Shipping and delivery options should be clearly outlined for your customers. Offering free shipping or discounted rates can be an excellent incentive. Always provide tracking information to keep your customers informed and ensure timely deliveries. Fostering customer loyalty is essential for long-term success. Encourage repeat purchases by offering loyalty programs, exclusive discounts, or personalized recommendations based on previous shopping behavior. Collect reviews and feedback to improve your offerings and show your customers that their opinions matter. Always stay compliant with relevant laws, including tax obligations and privacy regulations. Ensure your website has the necessary policies in place to protect customer data and adhere to regulations. Once you've selected a platform, setting up an effective online store is next. The design should be user-friendly, making it easy for customers to navigate your site. A mobile-optimized website is a must, as many users shop from their smartphones. Additionally, incorporating search engine optimization techniques will improve your visibility on Google and help you attract organic traffic. Show your products from multiple angles and consider adding videos to help potential customers visualize how the product works. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting your products. Use targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to reach your ideal customers based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can also help you gain exposure. Engagement is key, so make sure to interact with your audience through comments, polls, and user-generated content. Tracking metrics through analytics tools like Google Analytics allows you to monitor how well your store is performing. Regularly check traffic, conversions, and customer behavior to see what's working and where you can improve. A/B testing different aspects of your website, such as product descriptions or calls to action, helps you refine your approach and increase conversions. Personalize the shopping experience by recommending products based on past purchases, and don't forget to ask for feedback and reviews to improve your products and show customers you value their opinions. Finally, be sure to take care of legal considerations. Understand the sales tax regulations for your region, especially if you're selling internationally. Additionally, make sure you comply with privacy laws and have proper privacy policies in place on your website. By following these steps and focusing on the right methods, you'll be well on your way to running a successful online selling business. If you found these tips helpful, I'd love to hear about your own experiences with online selling. Drop a comment below and share any challenges or successes you've had along the way. Your insights could help others who are on the same journey. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch my next video for even more valuable tips and strategies on how to succeed in online selling. See you there.